Question is, numerator of a fraction is 3 less than its denominator. यानी कि अगर न्यूमरेटर x है, डिनोमिनेटर y है, तो फ्रैक्शन इज x by y, एंड हियर न्यूमरेटर इज 3 लेस देन डिनोमिनेटर, दैट मीन्स x इक्वल टू y minus 3. Another condition, if 1 is added to denominator, then y will become y plus 1. The fraction is decreased by 1 by 15. Here by is mentioned. दैट मीन्स अगर हम डिनोमिनेटर में 1 ऐड करते हैं, यानी कि हमारा डिनोमिनेटर y था जो y प्लस 1 होता है, तो फ्रैक्शन विल बी रिड्यूस्ड, क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर जब बड़ा होता है न्यूमरेटर से तो फिर हमारा फ्रैक्शन की वैल्यू छोटी आती है, राइट. सो 1 by 15 रिड्यूस बाय बोला है. रिड्यूस बाय का मतलब है कि जो ओरिजिनल था उससे 1 by 15 कम हुआ. लेकिन अगर ये रिड्यूस 2 होता तो हमारा फ्रैक्शन वी हैव टू राइट डायरेक्टली 1 by 15. लेकिन यहाँ बाय है, दैट मीन्स x by y से 1 by 15 कम हुआ. वी हैव टू फाइंड फ्रैक्शन. सो लेट अस सॉल्व इट. Solution, let numerator be x, denominator be y. Therefore, fraction is x upon y, right? Now, first condition is numerator is 3 less than denominator. So as per question, x equal to y minus 3. We'll consider, we'll use it in further, so I'll write number 1. Now as per second condition, when 1 is added to denominator, so when 1 is added to y, fraction will be reduced. So x upon y plus 1 equal to fraction is reduced by 1 upon 15. x minus y से 1 upon 15 कम हुआ, that means x upon y minus 1 by 15. Now we will solve it. So x upon y plus 1 as it is. Now taking LCM here, 15x minus y upon 15y. Now cross multiplication, 15xy equal to y plus 1 into 15x minus y. This implies, now multiply these two, 15xy equal to 15x into y is again 15xy, then y into y is minus y square, then plus 15x and minus y. 15xy will be cancelled from both sides. This implies taking everything on LHS. So y square will be positive, y will be again positive, plus y minus 15x equal to 0. Now substitute value of x from 1. This implies y square plus y minus 15 into y minus 3 equal to 0. We will get quadratic equation in variable y here. So y square plus y minus 15y plus 45 equal to 0. This implies y square minus 14y plus y minus 15y is minus 14y plus 45 equal to 0. Now we have to split this term. Splitting the middle term, 45 into 1. 45 के ऐसे दो फैक्टर जिससे minus 14 आए. 9 5 जा. So it is y square minus 9y minus 5y, both will be negative, plus 45 equal to 0. Taking these two and these two, y is common, y minus 9 minus 5 is common, y minus 9 equal to 0. This implies y equal to y minus 9 and another bracket y minus 5 equal to 0. This implies y equal to 9 or y equal to 5. Therefore, by 1, we can say, taking y is 9, so x equal to 9 minus 3 equal to 6, or x equal to, taking y equal to 5, 5x equal to 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Therefore, fraction equal to 6 by 9. Now 6 by 9, so this cannot be fraction because it is not in reduced form. तो हमें reduced form लाना पड़ेगा, that will be equal to 2 by 3, and this does not satisfy this condition, which does not satisfy x equal to y minus 3. Therefore, required fraction is another one, and that is required fraction is 2 by 5. This one 2 and this is 5, right? So this is final answer and this is statement. You have to always write statement in case of word problem, otherwise your half mark will be cancelled, right? This is done. You can take screenshot or you can solve it yourself.